you can clearly see what's happening. The point of control, which was originally much lower down, has now shifted. It's come up to where the price is now. So we're at the point of control now, guys. So the most volume ever has been put in at this price right now. And that's now we're getting strong accumulation, really strong accumulation at these prices. Yeah. And that's what's happening right now. We're getting really strong accumulation here. Strong buying. Yeah. And the buying is absorbing the selling, actually. So you're getting selling, but you're getting buying. So the selling is naturally anyone who's made some quick gains from these lows. So 40%. So anyone who's made quick gains, they're selling, and people are buying in. They're buying back in. They're buying in, and it's just holding the price here. So I think this is really bullish. I really do. I'm really seeing some nice bullish indicators here. It's giving me really good bullish vibes. I like these candles. I like that this 3-day candle is a red candle, increasing volume, and it closed above the previous 3-day candle low. It took the lows. This is really, that last 3-day candle is a bullish candle. It's a bearish candle, but it's a bullet, has bullish indicate. It's a bullish sign because you've got so much volume. The bears are in control. They weren't able to take the price down. They were only able to take the liquidity from the previous candles, and it closed higher than the previous candle low. That, for me, that's a buy candle. Yeah. So you're getting some really nice bullish indicators. If people haven't bought in, this is a really good price, a really good opportunity to buy in. There's some big changes happening. They're going to be announced hopefully starting next week. And I just kind of wanted to give you a little heads up. So I'm obviously in the Telegram group. A lot of people aren't. But if you do go into the Telegram group, I'll quickly show you something that I saw. Here, look at this. This is quite interesting. This guy, Jiggy Crypto. Greetings, team. I am Jiggy Crypto, a verified business development representative from Victus Global, a leading venture capital firm. We're interested in exploring a strategic OTC investment growth proposal. Who's the rightful person to whom I should send this proposal for review? Who the hell are Victus Global? Never heard of them. Let's go and find out. So I'm giving you crazy alpha here, huh? I did look at them and I followed them earlier on. Full service digital asset trading, investment and technology firm. They got 23,000 followers. So they look legit, huh? They look legit. They got a shit website. So I don't know. It's hard to tell, you know, because you also get these scams as well. Who knows? I have no idea. It looks like they're legit because they're getting quite good comments. Look, good morning, DGens. And they're getting quite a good interaction with these kind of good morning posts. And after months of building behind the scenes, we're proud to officially launch Victus Markets, our institutional FX hedging platform. So when you get these entities starting to pay attention and starting to kind of wake up to what's happening with Dtravel and TRVL, then you have to pay attention, because this is the big money. And so that's gonna their conversations going forward there. Hey, look, William Hugo. I know who this guy is. Good day, Andy. I'm William Hugo. I work with several projects and top-tier VCs in the space. I see you're interested in exploring a strategic investment opportunities for Dtravel. Can I send you a message? So all of a sudden, you've got VCs interested in investing in Dtravel. Of course, because look, new booking site activated, new booking process, yeah. New booking process. This is all happening. This real world business is growing. And it's growing, and it's growing, and it's growing, and it's not going to stop. This is a decentralized real world network. There's nothing to stop us. Literally nothing to stop us. Yeah. There's no centralized business here. This is decentralized. This is a network that's just going to grow and grow and grow. Yeah. As people wake up to what's happening in crypto and what's happening in the Web3, and as Airbnb starts to make mistakes, etc., and Booking.com, as the fees go higher, and as people start to branch out and start to take control of their own businesses, you're going to get more and more operator signups. You're getting more and more listing signups. You're going to get more and more travelers traveling. Yeah. And we haven't even broken out of our lows in terms of our real world network. I tell you, one day we're going to see, at the moment we're at 5,258 listings. One day this is going to be 50,000, you know, and then it's going to be 100,000 and 200,000. One day it's going to happen. Okay. And one day the value of the real world network is going to be actually reflected in the token. Yeah. This is literally, as far as I can tell, this is a buy of a lifetime. I really believe that. Yeah. And I've been having real serious conversations with the new leadership about taking Dtravel TRVL to all-time highs. I don't care. I'm going to say it. I'm going to believe it. I'm going to manifest it. I'm going to aim for that target. For me, 1.56 is the target. I don't care what people say. People think I'm mad. I don't care, because why not? Look, we've had this crazy 4-year correction. Now the volume's coming in. Let's take this token price up to all-time highs. Let's do it. Bam, one go. Psh. Let's take it all the way up. That's what I'm believing for. That's what I'm aiming for. And the Dtravel are taking it seriously. And any combination of things in crypto can make this happen. Any combination of things, with exchange listings, with venture capitalist investments, with SPAC acquisitions, with viral marketing, with mainstream media just doing one piece on Dtravel. Anything could blow this up. Anything. With just one influencer taking Dtravel and going, yes, this is a good one, could blow this up. And so right now we're in our place where you can buy for a long hold. But as I've always said, my target is, at the very least, is for the end of this year, December. Like, I've got a very keen target. And then also I've talked about my higher time frame targets. Right now, I'm just looking at the volume and the price action. I feel really